soon as we get to our cruise cabin, there are 5 things we always do before we unpack or before we even relax.
They're quick, easy things that can save a lot of headaches later on. Hey cruisers, we're Jason and Becca, the faces behind Monkey Love Travel.
Helping you cruise smarter, laugh louder, and travel happier.
So if this is your first cruise, or even if it's not, here are 5 things we do the moment we walk into our cabin.
Welcome to our cabin, cabin 9139 on beautiful Odyssey of the Seas. What Rebecca and I always do whenever we get into our cabin, and we've only been in here for like 10 minutes. We wanted to set up. We did a quick room tour, which we are going to show you in an upcoming video. But we want to share the 5 things we always do just to kind of enhance our stay, make sure just a little bit safer. I mean, because today's our embarkation day, but for the crew, this is turnaround day. So they have a lot of cabins to get cleaned really quickly, and sometimes the sanitation tends to fall down the cracks a little bit. I mean, it's clean.
Yeah, it's very clean.
But I don't know if it's quite sanitized. So we just take the extra effort. We've got 5 things. So the first thing Beck likes to do is just go,
Specifically handles.
Yeah,
Everything
handles.
you touch, remotes.
The common areas.
I usually have one in both hands.
Yep.
Just out of weirdness.
Wiping all those things down. And this goes for hotel rooms as well, I always check to make sure there's no bed bugs. It's just something I've done every time we've gone anywhere and stayed anywhere other than our home. So I'm going to check the bed for bed bugs real quick.
If he finds any, this video is going to end really quickly.
Yeah, you're going to see really.
With a lot of screaming and running.
So all I do is I pull back the sheets and check the crevice of the mattress. And it is good. The next thing I always check to make sure the refrigerator is actually cooling. And it is. It's cooling, so that's a bonus.
And as Jacinta likes to remind everybody, it is not a refrigerator, it's just a chiller.
It's a chiller.
It's just meant to cool things, not to make them cold.
So that's number 3. Number 4 is we kind of check everything for damage and make sure everything is working. And Beck usually does that as she's going along. And then our 5th and final thing is we make sure the safe works. You got to protect your valuables. We have been on ships where they haven't worked. So let me go ahead and see, what do we got here? And we have success. The safe is working. And there you have it. That's our 5 things to enhance our cruise. So that's our 5 things.
None of them take more than a few minutes, but it can save you a lot of frustration later on and just make the start of your cruise a lot smoother.
So if you're planning your first cruise, or you just need help choosing the right ship or cabin, we're always here and happy to help. Also, be sure to check out this video on screen right now for the Embarkation Day on Odyssey of the Seas.
And if this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.
And as always, seize the day.